What's cracking? Welcome back to a new video. How you doing? How you moving? I just wanted to come in here real quick before we get started. I am just, paying the bills, you heard, and looking cute while doing it. So we're gonna just go through this cute little cozy, sexy, cool look and with Megalook hair. The wig already came like this, so if you're wondering what colors I used to bleach it, just know it came straight like this from the top of the video. Let me let you know. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy, and if you click off this video, use a bomb and I'm gonna haunt you, period.
West, y'all.
Say word on Mary J. Blige this fall. Say less. Hello, my beautiful bitty bum bums. Today is a voiceover because honestly I didn't chat in this video, so I'ma chat now. Okay, so basically you always start by pulling that hole back so you can get a clear view as to what you're doing. I'm already gonna just cut out some air pieces so it's easier for me. I wet the hairline or whatever because I'm about to pluck, and for some reason I seen somebody do this, and honestly it helps a lot more than sometimes put it on a mannequin head if you ain't got one. Wet that hoe because she get a little slick and it makes like easier traction purposes for you to pluck it. So I'm just speeding up, showing you how much easier, and ever so often you just want to brush through it to get the excess hairs that you done plucked out of the wig, because it gets a little hairy, gets a little scary. You don't need none of that, period. So pluck away. Good lord, I'm so silly when it comes to these voiceovers. But I also found out, because I'm still a beginner as far as wig customization in the hairline, as you see how I part in front of the hairline, like some space, and then pluck behind the parted space that I have, I found that it kind of works a lot. So I think you should maybe try it, give it a go. But it's definitely practice makes perfect. So just like you see, push over something to the front and pluck right behind that, so you don't like end up having patches like how I've done before, as you see me in my trial and error phases. Just a quick little tip. All right, now we ready for the next step. Sticking shellacking that baby to the forehead. All right, so boom, you could start by putting on like some Gotta Be Glue gel or your bowl hold tape first, using the air dryer, and then doing this step. I honestly completely forgot, but that's only if you're looking for like a heavy duty type of night. You want your lace to last like 2 days. If not, you can skip the extra glue phase and just start with this phase, which is using the freeze spray. As you see me here combing out the excess so it doesn't get sticky on the strands themselves. So when it's time for me to take some hairs out to do baby hairs, it's not crunchy and sticky looking. But yeah, all you gotta do is put your blow dryer on cool, not hot. So it's like essentially like an expedited version of you fanning or waiting for your hair to get, dry. Essentially, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but you get my body. Now all you gotta do is after you have used the blow dryer to make it stay in place, you cut the excess lace off around your hairline. Don't pay too much attention to the hairline, more so yours. It don't need to be a straight edge cut. Just follow the yellow brick road, girl. Don't stress yourself out. Don't get too crazy. But if you see touch-ups that need to happen along the way, don't be afraid to do so. Just make sure you dry them before you cut them, like you see me doing right now, because you can't be cutting wet lace. That makes sense? No, it don't. It don't. No matter how you slice it, don't make sense. So wait for it to dry. Be patient. Dry it down, and then you get back to the cutting life. Damn, I know y'all hear somebody blowing on my phone. Forgive me. Just act like you ain't hear nothing. I don't even know what I'm talking about it. You ain't hear nothing, right? Okay, as we are all beginners, we know sometimes we have a little kickback left after we are done cutting the lace off, as you see right here. We got some sticky stuff left, but What I have found that is helpful to do to get rid of that is after I finish cutting it off, no fret, I grab some alcohol, get a paper towel, wipe it right on off. Go ahead and just wipe that bad baby off. No hassle, no extra stress, just wipe, girl. Alright, so as you see before me is my next step, choosing the style I want. I wanted to go for a side part with a little, you know, volume on it, but I realized that I had some flyaways. I look like a penguin. You know which one I'm talking about. Don't play yourself. All you need is a wax stick, like you see right there. Throw it back, throw it forward, get the comb, smooth it out, okay, and that's crisis averted. It's really not that hard of a problem to deal with flyaways. Wax stick, rat tooth comb, and what's that thing called? A hot comb. Nowadays I realize it's easier than using gel is mousse for baby hairs for me. It has good adhesion and it's easy to correct if you mess up. I'm still a newbie. I was not born with baby hairs. This is a new task for me at 13 years old to do, so it's still trial and error. I'm not here to tell you how to do these yet. Just know that mousse definitely helps more for me than the got to be gel because it's less permanent and a little bit more forgiving if you mess up. So this product I have, I forgot that I had. My hairstylist would kill me if he sees me putting this on afterwards, but in order to get my lace to match my color, I use some dye with conditioner in a bottle and some water, shaken up, and as you see it's brown leftover stuff. That's how I tint my lace. Normally I spray it before I put it on my head and then dry it. Forgive me that y'all see me do this after, but you see how now the lace is like literally my color of my skin. Perfect, foolproof. Just find your color and hair dye, put it in a bottle like I said, and you ready to go. You ready to go. Yeah, other side baby hairs, and I think then we're gonna lay it down with this little, you know, we might be seeing these at the salon, girl. You remember seeing those? Get the little white joint, wrap around. You ready to go? That kind of party. So how are we feeling about the hair? So first things first, I've been loving blonde. First things first, let me get some sunglasses. Like, come on now. You know I gotta get crazy. I've been feeling like Mary J. Blige for 2 weeks. this is Megalook hair. It is 22 inches and it's described as a 1B 27 color straight slash body wave human lace wig. I can see where it's called straight slash body wave because it's definitely giving me straight vibes right now. And I could tell that I could put a curl in it, and it's like, it's definitely like full, like it's full amount of hair. I definitely do not have any complaints as far as how much hair is on here. I will say that, y'all know, or if you don't know, I'm somebody with a small peasy head, so it's a little bit big on me, but nothing that don't make me look like I'm crazy. Like I look like I'm still about to murder you. You feel me? I just gotta say that just in case people are peasy headed like me and you don't want it so baggy. I think they probably send me a standard cap size. If there's like a option to do like a smaller cap size, go for it, because girl, I'm drowning. But I think this hair is definitely a good option for people that want to try to be blondes but they don't know how to do blonde themselves, like the actual physical dyeing of it. And also the fact that like the roots come dark already, in case you wanted to, like, you know, not be forced to go all the way blonde if you're not ready for that step yet. I can't stop touching my hair. It is soft, but I would say that I wish it wasn't as big on my small peasy head. I want to make this ash blonde and cut it down some because it is kind of shedding a bit every time I brush through it or come through it. But I think it's because of the length I chose. I'm not sure. Like if I go like this, a few strands will come out. Literally like a few, like 2, 3. I was gonna try to do like a flat and swoop thing, but I'm like, I landed on Cozy Sexy Cool, which is my go-to all the time. Let me show you guys where the hair falls. My little cootie cake. I definitely recommend this wig for the girls that don't know what they're doing yet but know they want to be on the way to a look. Low maintenance, you can dye it like any color you want because it's already blonde, so that's so you can do the watercolor method. Like this wig is pretty foolproof. It came pretty much pre-plucked. I didn't do that much plucking as you saw, so you ain't gotta worry about too much. All you gotta worry about is what you about to wear with it, who you about to go see in it, what you about to do in it, who you about to ruin in it, you know. Like, I wouldn't say it's an everyday wig. I would definitely say it's more like a statement piece type of wig. So if you're looking for like a daily, day-to-day wig, I wouldn't stress this wig out. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. That's all I have.